Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be IndiaMART and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using WhatsApp Cloud API. You can use any other application as well. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can simply click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as IndiaMART Automation, and I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Automation for IndiaMART. So now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send an automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads. So as my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to automate this entire process, I need to select my trigger application. So over here, I'm going to search for IndiaMART as my trigger application, and here it is. And the trigger event will be new leads. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be captured. So over here, our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 4 hours. So that means every 4 hours over here in Pabbly Connect, the details of the new lead will be fetched. So now in order to begin with this automation, I need to establish a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So here to add a new connection, I need to mention a CRM key. So I've already logged into my IndiaMART account, and now I'm going to take you to my account. Here in IndiaMART, I will go to settings, and in settings, I'm going to find this account settings. So here in account settings, I will go to CRM API, and over here, this is the current API key. So if you have not generated a API key, you can simply generate it by clicking on generate key button. So as I've already generated an API key, I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to paste the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. So once I've done that, now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. That means now in order to get the lead over here in Pabbly Connect, I need to click on this refresh fields button. So as I've already mentioned that our trigger application is a polling based application, so it will get the data of the new lead in every 4 hours. So as I'm going to click on save and send test request, it will get me the most latest lead details which would have been captured. So as I'm setting up this automation, so over here by clicking on save and send test request, I'm going to get the lead details. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And over here, you can see that just now I have received a response. So over here, you can see this here is the subject, that is requirement for 1 kW commercial on grid solar power system. Here's the unique ID, sender state, and over here you can see the sender name. And here you can see the sender mobile. Here is the email. Scrolling down to some other details, here you can see the sender city, address, and over here you can see the query time product and the message as well. So this here is the query message. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the lead details. So as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now by using these lead details, I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. So now in order to do that, I will go to my action window, and over here, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API as my action application. So here it is. And now moving to the action event, that will be to send template message. So now in order to send a WhatsApp message, I need to establish a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So if you want to learn more about that process, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. So now to mention these details, I will go to Meta for Developers, and over here in Meta for Developers, this is the app dashboard. I will go to WhatsApp, and now I will go to API setup. So here in API setup, this is the temporary access token. I'm going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now for phone number ID, again, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it over here. So from here, I've copied the WhatsApp business account ID, and I'm going to paste it over here. So as I've mentioned these details, I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the template name. So here in message templates, I have created this template, that is IndiaMART leads. So I'm going to show you the template. So this here is the template that I've created for the leads. So the name of this template is IndiaMART leads. The language is English. Here is the template ID and the category as marketing. So this is the template which I would like to send to the leads. So here it goes as, hello, thank you for inquiring. We have received your query details. Here are the details, and thank you again for your inquiry. Our team will get in touch with you in 24 hours. So this here is the message which I have framed, and I want to send this message to the leads. So here after hello, query product, query ID, name and email, I have added some variables. So these variables will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive the new response. So this first variable is for the name. So after hello, I would like to mention the name of the lead. So as per I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically the values in these variables will keep on changing accordingly. So as this is the template, and over here I've got the template details as well. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select my template as IndiaMART leads. So here after selecting the template name, it has detected the language code and the template ID. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received these details from IndiaMART, so over here in these fields, I'm going to map it from that response. So now I'm going to map the mobile number. So I'm going to search for the mobile number. So this here is the mobile number, and I have mapped it. So now moving to the name field. So again from the response received, I'm going to search for the name. This here is the name. So now moving to the query product name. So I'm going to search for the query product name. So this here is the name, I have mapped it. Moving to the query ID. So again I'm going to search for ID. This here is the ID. So now moving to the name field again. So I'm going to mention the name. So this here is the name. Moving to the email field. So over here, I'm going to map the email. So this here is the email. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details in these fields, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. That means a WhatsApp message would have been sent to this lead. So I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message as well, because before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, I've mentioned an actual number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message. So this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So here after hello, you can see the name of the lead, that was demo user, and here you can see the details as well. So that means a WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to this IndiaMART lead. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.